welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I lost my voice and I am loving it. I love the raspy voice. I wish my voice was like this all the time. But anyway, I'm going to have to talk a little bit quieter than I normally do, so hopefully you can hear me. Turn the volume up if I'm too quiet, but that's just warning, this is why I'm talking like this. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do because I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this new subscription service that I just found out about, and I'm really excited about this service, about this company, because they're really awesome. I don't know if you guys have heard of them because I myself have never heard of them. I've never like seen them anywhere before, but they are pretty big on social media, so I'm gonna link all of their information below. And this company is called CAUSEBOX. This is the winter box. I'm not sure if they still have the winter box. I'm pretty sure they do, but I'm gonna link their information below. The box is valued at $200. The items that it comes with are like anything from like fashion, beauty, lifestyle, like jewelry stuff. But the box is $50 per season, and there are 4 boxes each year, so you can pay either $40 if you pay it annually, or if you pay it quarterly it's like $54. But basically what makes this subscription service different than other ones is that they focus on showcasing products and brands that are made ethically and sustainably, and products that have a positive philanthropic charitable mission. So pretty much it's called CAUSEBOX because you're supporting a good cause. A lot of the products that are in this box are like vegan, everything is sustainably made, everything is cruelty free, and also a portion of the proceeds from each box are given back to charitable causes. And then just some examples of past partners include Freedom Firm, the Jesse Reese Foundation, Books for Africa, and Speak Your Silence. So it supports a lot of really good causes, and a lot of the products that are like in this box are supporting like local artists. So basically it's just all for a really good cause. So that's why I was really excited to receive this box, because I'm all about giving back and like helping charities and just supporting local artists, and you know, just supporting brands that make, you know, sustainable items. So like I said, if you guys are interested in checking this company out, I'm gonna link it in the description, and I'm gonna go through the box. I briefly opened it and kind of like peeked in it, but I didn't actually like fully unbox everything. Design is so cute. I love box design, and it changes every season. So on top I have here a little postcard, and it's actually from the company. They wrote me a little message, so that was really sweet. And then here is like the little booklet it comes with. It gives you some descriptions about like the different products that are in the box, and it gives you like a backstory, and then it also for some of them shows like what the proceeds go to. A lot of the things are handmade by local artists from around the world. This box to me is just so pure and so genuine and so beautiful, because all of these products are made with like kindness, and like, you know, it helps good causes. So I mean, and a lot of the things, as you're gonna see, are really cute. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what's in this box. So let's just get into it. To give you more of a better view, this is what it looks like. I love the aesthetics. Don't you just like love the colors? This is like such my aesthetic. It's so cute. So let's see. The first thing on top here is from a brand Machete, and I'm gonna kind of like, I'm gonna like look through the book as I show you guys each thing, just so I can give you guys more information about each product. So this looks like it's a hair clip. This looks very cute. I don't normally wear hair clips, but I kind of want to start wearing them. So this is a $31 value. It is a set of 2 classic hair clips. They're handmade in France and Italy out of premium materials. So that sounds very nice. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, well, I'm not at capacity to put on hair clips right now, but they're gorgeous and I really love them, and I will definitely wear them. Oh, I forgot to show this. This is like, oh my god, this is so cute. It has a blank this is a blank postcard. This was included in the box, and on the front, this is the design. So pretty. Oh, earrings. You know what? I actually just lost a lot of my studs. I literally was going through my jewelry box today, and I noticed all my earrings were gone. And now look what is in here. These are the cutest studs. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Yeah, so it's just a set of 3 studs. This is an exclusive design for CAUSEBOX, and it's by Foxy Originals. So these are super adorable. The next thing we have here is from this brand Samara, and this looks like it's some sort of box, maybe a jewelry box. Oh yeah, okay, so it's a jewelry case, and it is leather. It's like this tan color. It says that it's 100% cruelty free, and it's also vegan, so it's vegan leather. And it says that every jewelry case contributes towards providing solar powered backpacks to children in East Africa through their other initiative called the Solar Backpack. Wow, that is so pretty. So on the inside, oh, okay, it's a jewelry organizer. This is actually really convenient because I actually like need one. I put all my jewelry in like a little like Ziploc bag most of the time when I travel. So this is super convenient. I love this. And then it also comes with a polish cloth. That's cool. I guess that's for the leather if you want to polish the leather. So yeah, that is that. I love the mission. I love what the proceeds go towards. That's really cool and it's so cute. So that is awesome. I love this. So let's see, the next thing here is from a brand called Vitiv, V-I-T-I-V, Vitiv. Okay, it's a daily hair vitamin. Nourish your hair with all the love it needs in one easy leave-in solution. It's silicone free, it is gluten free, cruelty free, it is made with natural ingredients. The packaging is cute, I like that. And it just comes with the pump. It says apply to wet hair directly after cleansing and conditioning. Oh my god, it smells really good. It smells really fresh, like coconuts. Oh, and it also comes with a little comb. That's so cute. Oh my god, this is like such a cute product. It also came with this little card on the inside, and it says, dressed in strength and dignity, she laughs without fear of the future. And then on the back it says, Vitiv believes in spreading love always. Show us some love by following our Instagram. That's really cool. I like this. Next, it looks like it's another beauty product. It's from Pure. It's a 4-in-1 correcting primer. It energizes skin in the morning and rescues your skin at night. I could always go for that. So here's what the little bottle looks like. It's kind of small, but hopefully it goes a long way. Yeah, I'll definitely have to try this out. I've never heard of this brand. But I'm always down to try new beauty products, so hopefully that will be good. Next is this little long box. I bet this is like a jewelry or something. Oh wait, no, you know what? I think these are the spoons. I'm actually really excited about these. So pretty. Ooh, look at these spoons. I think these are this is for salad, or also just like serving spoons. These are gorgeous. These are handcrafted in India. They're a $39 value. Wow, these are really, really pretty. Also, this box is like super flimsy, but that's because it's made of 100% recycled cotton handmade paper. So that is awesome. Like even the packaging of everything is like all recycled paper. Everything is so like, wow, this is like crazy. I've never seen a box that's this like flimsy, but it's like super cool because it's recycled paper. Next is this really heavy thing. It says, oh, it's a set of 2 mugs. This is the brand Whitney Kearney. It says this product provides support to victims of domestic violence. The Hubbard House and their efforts to save and change the lives of victims of domestic violence. This girl, Whitney, the one who created this, is a survivor of domestic violence. It says we're honored to support Hubbard House and their efforts to provide victims of domestic violence and their families with safe shelter, counseling, job coaching, and services on their road to healing. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Look at the color. Look at the design of that. That is so pretty. It's a ceramic material. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love these. They're like super sturdy. Like these are some strong mugs. And yeah, like I said, it's made of ceramic. And this is a $35 value. So cool. And the fact that this goes to a really good cause is just even more better. So the next thing are some mittens. It's from Sizu. I am so terrible at pronouncing these names. But this one is a pair of versatile mittens. They're made from innovative blend of recycled materials. So these are made from recycled materials. I like the color. It's like a gray and a beige color. And then they have like the fingers, the open fingers, but then you can like put the little lid on it or whatever you call it. Oh, these are so adorable. That's just what it looks like. That's so awesome how it's made from recycled materials. You would never know. Like they look like they're like not, but that's awesome that they are. There is just one more thing in the box, and it is a blanket. And I saw this online on their website, and I was really excited to get this because first of all, it looked so pretty and it looked so comfortable. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at the design. It's like stripes with blue and is this beige? And then it has little palms on the corner. Ooh, this is so cute. You know what I would probably use this as? This might be a good picnic blanket. Is this actually a picnic blanket? Okay, so it's a throw blanket. It's a woven throw blanket, so you can use it as a blanket, but I would probably use this as like a picnic, what do you call that? Picnic blanket. This is made in India. A gorgeous heavyweight throw, lovingly loomed and hand finished by artists in India. So this is honestly the best subscription box I've ever gotten, just because it's not just products, it's not just like, you know, things that are cute and things that you can use, because these things I can use, but the thing is like, it makes a difference for a lot of people if you get sustainable products that were recycled, cruelty-free products, vegan products, like all those type of things. Like I normally, like, as bad as it sounds, don't gravitate things towards that, but I really want to start doing that and supporting all these local artists and all these local, you know, causes, and just supporting this really good cause. Like I said, I will link everything in the description, so guys, just like check it out. I also do have a coupon code for you guys for 30% off your box. So if you want to get a box, you can get 30% off. So I will link that code below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys really enjoy getting to know these different products and all about this box. I will see you all in my next video.